The human circulatory system, the body's life transport network. Imagine a system inside your body that never stops working, not even for a single second. Not when you are sleeping, not when you are running, not even when you are resting. It starts working before you're even born, and stops only when life ends. This system is called the circulatory system, and it is one of the most important systems in the human body. Without it, there is no oxygen delivery, no nutrient supply, no waste removal, and no life. Today, we will understand this system completely. What it is, why it is important, how it works, what it is made of, and what happens when it fails. What is the circulatory system? The circulatory system is a body system that is responsible for transporting blood throughout the entire body. It works like a transportation network inside you. Just like roads carry cars from one place to another, blood vessels carry blood inside your body. This system is made of three main parts. First, the heart, which acts like a powerful pump. Second, the blood, which is the transport fluid. And third, the blood vessels, which are the pathways or roads. Together, these three parts form a complete life support system that keeps every cell in your body alive. Why do we need the circulatory system? Now the question is, why is this system so important? The answer is simple, because every cell in your body needs oxygen and nutrients to survive. Your brain, your muscles, your skin, your organs, everything needs energy. But cells cannot move. They cannot go to food. They cannot go to oxygen. So the body needs a system that brings everything to them. That is the job of the circulatory system. It delivers oxygen from the lungs, nutrients from the food you eat, and hormones from glands to the right places. At the same time, it removes waste like carbon dioxide and other harmful substances from the body. Without this system, cells would die within minutes. That means the whole body would stop functioning. The heart, the engine of life. Now let's talk about the heart, the most important part of this system. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, slightly towards the left side. Its main job is to pump blood throughout the body. It beats continuously, around 100,000 times a day, without stopping. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called the atria. The lower 2 chambers are called the ventricles. These chambers work together in a coordinated way. First, the heart receives blood, then it pumps it out with force. This pumping action is what keeps blood moving through the body. If the heart stops, the entire system collapses instantly. Blood. The transport system. Now let's understand blood. Blood is a special fluid that flows inside your body. It is not just red liquid, it is a living tissue made of different parts. Blood has 4 main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the entire body. White blood cells protect the body from infections and diseases. Platelets help stop bleeding when you get a cut. Plasma is the liquid part that carries nutrients, hormones, and waste. So blood is not just one thing, it is a complete transport and defense system. Blood vessels. The road network. Now let's talk about blood vessels. Blood vessels are like roads inside your body that carry blood to every part. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body. Veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Capillaries are tiny vessels where the real exchange happens. Oxygen and nutrients leave the blood and waste enters it. These vessels reach every single part of your body, even your smallest cells. How blood circulation works now. Let's understand the full process step by step. First, the heart receives oxygen-poor blood from the body. This blood is then sent to the lungs. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and fresh oxygen is added. Now the blood becomes oxygen-rich. This oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart. Then the heart pumps this blood out through arteries to the entire body. It reaches every organ, delivers oxygen and nutrients, and collects waste. After that, the oxygen is used by cells and blood becomes oxygen-poor again. This blood returns to the heart through veins, and the cycle repeats again and again, non-stop. This continuous cycle is called blood circulation. 2 types of circulation. There are two main loops in the circulatory system. First is pulmonary circulation. This is the flow of blood between the heart and lungs. Its job is to refresh blood with oxygen. Second is systemic circulation. This is the flow of blood between the heart and the rest of the body. Its job is to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all organs. Both systems work together to keep the body alive. What happens if the system fails? If the circulatory system is damaged or stops working properly, the body faces serious problems. For example, if arteries become blocked, it can cause a heart attack. If blood flow to the brain stops, it can cause a stroke. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels. And if the heart stops, life ends within minutes. That is why this system is extremely important. How to keep your circulatory system healthy. You can keep this system healthy by following simple habits. Exercise regularly to strengthen the heart. Eat healthy food like fruits, vegetables, and balanced meals. Avoid junk food, smoking, and unhealthy fats. Drink enough water to keep blood flowing smoothly, and get proper sleep so your body can recover. A healthy lifestyle means a strong heart and a strong body. The circulatory system is the life transport network of the human body. The heart is the pump. Blood is the transport fluid. Blood vessels are the roads. Together, they deliver oxygen, nutrients, and life to every cell in your body. Without it, life cannot exist. Every heartbeat is a reminder that your body is working perfectly. It is one of the most powerful systems ever created in nature. So next time you feel your heartbeat, remember, you're feeling the engine of life working inside you, non-stop, every second, keeping you alive